Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the endpoints. Start now by labeling them A and B with coordinates x1, y1, and x2, y2. First, add the x values together, then add the y values. Once done, divide each sum by 2 to get the average. This is the midpoints x and y. Make sure to keep sign and decimal accuracy. Positive versus negative matters. If coordinates are integers, the arithmetic is simple. If not, use a calculator to preserve precision, and next perform the actual arithmetic step by step. Add x1 and x2, then divide that sum by 2 to get the midpoint x coordinate. Repeat for the y values. If you have fractions, find a common denominator before averaging, otherwise keep them as exact fractions to avoid rounding errors. Once both coordinates are computed, pair them as xmid, imid. If working by hand, recheck each addition, because a single sign mistake changes the point's location dramatically. Finish by simplifying fractions or rounding decimals consistently, then record the midpoint as an ordered pair. Use it to verify that distances from midpoint to A and to B are equal. This confirms correctness. If the point looks wrong on a sketch, recheck your signs, the order of coordinates, and that you divided by 2 rather than another number. A quick fix is to recompute one coordinate at a time aloud. This often reveals a dropped negative or a misadded value.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.